I'm back for another video, and today, 65. Hi. Got her bike out. The piece of. What even is that bike? Huh? What even is that bike? Okay, whatever. But I'm gonna start the KTM up and go for a little ride. And today, actually, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a wheelie. This ain't my actual helmet. I left my other helmet at my dad's, so this is the helmet we're gonna be using. If you guys like this video, and you can start the bike. Jeez, this thing is not. That thing ain't not working out too good. Let me see if I can get the bike started again. Jesus, I want that. So that's why I'm gonna set you guys up. We're gonna be doing wheelies. Head right here. I can do them better over there, but I don't got anything set up right here. That guy's on the hillside. But yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do some wheelies. I can't find my setup for my phone, but hopefully you guys like this video. Get a couple rocks. Oh, I say beauty. Heck yeah. But set it up like can't see if you guys can see. Alright, there you guys go. So, do some wheelies right there. And you guys get to see it. But I'm gonna give you guys little tips. If you're on my two-stroke like mine is, you're gonna wanna either you can dump the clutch, which is gonna make you get back a lot further, or you can just give it a little bit of gas and just tap the gas and ming. Just keep doing that. Same thing if you dump the clutch, but you gotta drag your back feet, then put your feet on the pegs, which is a lot harder, but I can do wheelies better, but since it's in the rocks, and that's the only place I can set it up at, the rocks will hit my back tire, so it's just, as soon as it hits the back tire of the rock, it just slams it down. So I can't ride that far, otherwise I go down to there's a gate right down here. Go right up to that gate, clear up to there. But, alright, let's see if we guys can do it, but, wait, hold on. If you guys want a 4-stroke, you would dump the clutch, and that's that 4-stroke got a lot of power, just give it gas. Most 4-strokes don't got enough power, give enough gas to get the front tire up. So hopefully you guys like this. Here comes that stupid 4-wheeler. you guys see that? You guys saw that? Alright, well, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 30 likes because I've never got that much. Well, see you guys.